Smart tutorials. Make a banner for 2021, the year of the ox. Materials: 12-inch dowel, optional, drill little holes at each end, twine 12 inches, scissors, needle and thread. It's fine to use all black thread, or you can match the felt colors. Felt in 4 colors: black, 9 by 12 inches, stiff felt piece plus smaller soft felt piece for eyes, gold, red, and white. Step 1. Download the pattern at the website on this slide or in the description box below. Step 2. Use the pattern sheets to cut out the felt pieces. Step 3. Sew or glue the eyes and nostrils together. Sew or glue the ears and nose onto the red face. Then, sew or glue the eyes and nostrils onto the face. Note: if you choose to sew, you can change the color of thread you're using to match the piece you're sewing down. For example, use white thread to sew the white nose piece to the red face. Or, if you want a more graphic look, just use black thread for everything. Step 4. Arrange the pieces on the gold oval as shown above. Pin down the horns, top flower, and 2 decorative shapes. Don't pin the face. It is only there for placement at this stage. Step 5. Sew down red center and leave petals loose. Sew or glue the horns and the decorative pieces to the gold oval piece. Be careful to keep these pieces in the same positions as you pin them so that the face will correctly align on top. Note for the flower: for those who choose to sew, try sewing down the red centerpiece through the gold oval shape and leaving the petals loose. Step 6. Position the face on top of the horns and sew or glue to the gold oval. Then, sew or glue on the heart and 2 other flowers. Let the flower petals hang loose over the edge of the oval. Step 7. The stiffer black felt sheet will be the surface of the banner. Fold over the top edge about 1 inch, then sew down the edge. Fold over the top edge of the sheet about 1 inch to make a slot for the dowel to slide through. Sew down the bottom of the fold to secure it. This will be the back side of the banner. Step 8. On the front side of the banner sheet, center the gold oval and sew or glue it to the backing, leaving room for the date at the bottom, then sew or glue on the numbers. Step 9. Add the dowel. Slide the dowel through the slot. On each end, thread the twine through the drilled hole, then loop it around and tie a knot. If your dowel doesn't have drilled holes, just tie the twine around the dowel with a tight knot. And you're done! Have a great year of the ox!